Hi friend, this is the Old Monk and today we are with the Honor 7A. So the 7A came with 7C, its brother. It is like typically same smartphone, a little bigger. We will talk about 7C later. Now here we are going to discuss about the design of 7A. Here you can get 5.7-inch Full HD Plus display. It is 18:9 ratio, and in the front you are getting an 8 megapixel camera with LED flash. And on the side here you can see there is a power button, the volume rocker keys, and it has a metallic kind of finish on the power button, the volume rocker key. At the back you can see there is the dual camera setup, which is 13 plus 2 megapixel. There is also LED flash, the antenna lines are there, the fingerprint sensor is at the back, the Honor branding as at the bottom. In the top you are also getting a 3.5mm jack, which is hardly seen in these days in the smartphone. Coming in the bottom part, there is micro USB charging slot with the speaker grill. So definitely the design looks great. On top of that you get the Honor's own EMUI 8.0, so it gets the face unlock and everything. So the software is the pretty much the updated software. Now talking about the other things, it weighs only around, as it is the entry level smartphone with 8,999 and coming with the 18:9 aspect ratio. So the full view display here you can see you are getting it. So definitely the use of screen will be very much a good experience. As coming to the slots, it comes with the dual SIM card slot and one expandable memory card slot. Now talking about the device hardware, the device comes with octa-core processor, Snapdragon 430. It has a RAM of 3GB RAM, 32GB internal storage. It has a camera of 13 plus 2 megapixel at the back, front is 8 megapixel. It has 3000 milliampere battery. Currently the device is running on Android 8.0 Oreo. Top of it you get EMUI 8.0, which is currently the present trend. So Oreo is the latest update in all the software. Now talking about the device, it is coming with the 3GB 32GB variant, so definitely a lag or slowness will not be possible in the device currently, what I can say. It also gets expandable memory, which is around 256GB. Now talking about the weight of the device, it weighs around 150 grams. So definitely a very lighter device comparing with the Redmi Note 5. As Redmi Note 5 comes with a single camera, it has a 157 gram, a little bit higher. Now talking about the colors, the Honor 7A comes with the blue color, the black color and the gold color. And now it also has the fingerprint and the face unlock, which is very interesting because some companies do ditch the face unlock due to the fingerprint sensor, or they are coming with the face unlock and ditching the fingerprint sensor. So this is definitely, you are getting both the security system, and the fingerprint sensor is just not only to unlock the device, but it can also help you to browse the in the gallery. You can take the selfie and you can pick up the calls. You can do many things. So here you can see the fingerprint sensor is at the back, and you can also enroll 4 or 5 fingers, I guess. I have tried with the 4, so definitely you can try with them. And the fingerprint sensor works as a charm. It only takes few seconds, or I will say 0.01 second or 0.2 second to unlock the device. Here you can see the unlocking is really very fast and it works as a charm. So now talking about the second thing, it is the face unlock system. So face unlock system is something very important, which iPhone started the trend. But talking about the devices where Honor 7A is coming at a price of 8,999, which is around 9,000. Now talking about the face unlock, the face unlock can be done for one person only. Per person the face lock can be registered, it can be deleted later on also. And the face unlock unlocks the device very fast, and it can't be touched with a photo or something else. Your eyes should be open and it works like a charm. We have tried that also. So definitely face unlock is something amazing feature, cool feature. It also gives you to do the slide unlock before doing the face unlock. Now coming to the camera, which is the highlight. So the camera comes with the 13 plus 2 at the back. Here you can see there is a flash setup. There is also a wide aperture setup where you can do the portrait or the bokeh mode. There is also beauty mode. You can try the beauty mode. There is a selfie mode where you can take the selfie. So here you can see we are trying out the selfie one. So we will talk about the selfie later. It comes with the 8 megapixel in the front with LED flash. Now talking about the resolution, we just go into the device, you have some settings which we have seen in the Honor device previously. You can also take the picture in 13 megapixel, 10 megapixel, 9 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel. These are the picture resolution size you can play around with. As far as the modes are concerned, you get pretty normal mode. These modes are like the camera mode, the video mode, the panorama mode, and there is filter mode where you can try the face filter. There is HDR mode, watermark, and for the more you can have the watermark, you can have the good food, and also the document scan. So these are the modes what you are getting with the device. And talking about the camera, we will also check the video resolution. Here you can see you can take the video in full HD, you can also take in the HD and lesser resolution than that. So now talking about the camera samples what we have captured with this device, let's check it out. Now here you can see the detailing of the background. It is taken the aperture mode. This is the normal HDR mode what we have typed. The color saturation is really very good and it came out well. Here you can see so it is a cloudy day, not a sunny day, so you are finding little clouds on the sky right now. The selfie came out well, the colors are saturated and composed up well, so you can see the red and the green colors very well properly. Here you can see the red color. So we had tried and tested the camera in the low light and in the daylight, and in the price what it is offering in the 8999, it is purely justified. As you can see the camera sample and the images. So as far as the camera is concerned, definitely it is much better than Redmi Note 5, because Redmi Note 5 is coming with the old single camera setup. This is all about the Honor 7A, covering up all the aspects like design, fingerprint sensor, face unlock and camera, which is one of the important part. And if you ask me compare with a 7A or Redmi Note 5, definitely I will prefer 7A over Redmi Note 5. This is all about Honor 7A. This is @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.